Now I've been rushing again a little bit, and obviously if we go back to our rate.php, you'll see that obviously I've done the catch here, but exception isn't represented by anything. So after exception, we have to have a space and any kind of variable like element. So now we can save it and close it. Go back to the reset. Open in PHP tag. We use the try and catch. Again, exception as E and echo JSON and code array error equals true case equals 1. Okay, inside of the try, we're gonna go for require once, and we go for our classes rate.php file. Then object rate equals new rate. Now, if object rate reset, if we reset everything, then we echo one message, else we echo the other, and the other is going to be very similar to this one. So let's copy this and change the case to 2. Otherwise, we echo error false, and we can remove the case. And that's everything inside of our reset.php. If we now save the file and close it, if we go back to our browser, now refresh the page, click on the link. As you can see, the ratings has been added. I cannot click anymore. If I refresh the page, it's still here, so I can't change my mind. Now if we scroll down, let's do the negative for this one. Same situation. Let's go for this one, up, and so on. That's all good. Now if we click on reset, nothing happens. Okay, let's use the fireback. If we click on reset, what do we get? Undefined property rate object user in rate.php on line 246. So if we go back to our editor, let's go to our classes, line 246, the object use, of course we're not using object uses object db here. If we save it, go back to our browser, refresh the page, and if we click on now on reset, you can see, oh, what's happened here. Okay, I believe that this must have happened because of this error, obviously, inside of our rate class. So if we go back to our, actually we are in a browser. If we go here, you can see these values are actually displayed in a table. So what we're going to do is just go to the SQL section, and what we're going to do is to update our table, update comments, and what we're going to do is set, and we're going to set up and down to null. Again, so we have null, and down is going to be null as well. Down is going to be also 0. If we go, we click on go. Now if we go back to the browser refresher, we've all got 0. If we select again, same way as we did before, that's all fine. Now if we reset, you can see that's reloaded and everything seems to be working fine. So that's everything in the series, obviously. Any questions, use our comment section.